Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to attach any images or objects to any surface in Premiere Pro. With that said, let's dive deep into this tutorial. Number one thing you need to do is to import your tool assets in your Premiere Pro. You can see it here. Let me show you my background video. So let me off this Ice V2 so we can see my background image that I want to edit. You can see it here, and this is what I want to attach to the wall, this specific image here. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your effect panel here and search for corner pin, but ensure that you are on the image you want to attach. You can see my video 2, that's where I selected. Then come to your corner pin here, drag and drop the effects on your image that you want to attach to the wall. Go to your corner pin here and select each of those pins that you want to attach. Now, one thing you want to do is that you want to pin it in such a way that you are following the pattern of the corner in the actual background. So let me off this so that we can see what I'm talking about. If you look closely, you will see that our wall corners are like this. You can see the trace there, they are like this, and this shows us the perspective of our wall. So that's what I'm going to be following right now in pinning this image as a background in my actual background. So what I need to do is I'm going to on my eyes back so we can see what we're doing. So as I've said before, I'm selecting my first upper left and I'm dragging this pin here to the corner. We'll continue the same process all through each corners of the image until we have completely pinned the 4 edges to the wall. And at this point, we have successfully been able to replace our background with another image background, and that is how to attach any image to a surface. So if you decide that you want to animate this object, what you can simply do is to go to your corner pin here and select the keyframe for each of these objects. So just select a keyframe. Let's start from the ending part because that's when I want this stuff to form up. Let's put the ending there and select the keyframe for the ending. And from the beginning, we want to make it just 0. So let's put everything to be 0. Nothing is changing, just 0. So let us make our upper right 1000. Let's make our lower left 739, while we make the other side 0. Then we'll make the y-axis this time around 739 also, while we make the x-axis 1000. So we have our initial perfect square. And now we have reached the ending of today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. If this tutorial is indeed helpful to you, do well to like, share, comment, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And I'll see you in my next tutorial.